Hey there, it's Dan here from Flexible, and welcome to this second video on how we're implementing AI into a real life business, which is a business I invested in. It's my brother's business called True Ninja. It's like a kid's obstacle park type thing. I'm sure you guys have seen them. You know, I'm really excited about it because I know it's a growing industry, but I'm also exceptionally excited about it because we can make such a difference to this business. We've got a lot of cool stuff planned. It's going to really not only make this business more money, but it's going to save them a lot of costs and inefficiencies that they were struggling with before. In the previous video that I did, which will be linked below, you can go and see the kickoff call we had with my brother Evan and his business partner Michael, and what we had planned and what we're going to do. And my team's been hard at work getting stuff ready. And one of the first things we're implementing is what we call a Google Reviews and Reputation Management AI, okay? One of the biggest problems that a lot of businesses struggle with is keeping on top of Google reviews, and also making sure that if someone has left a bad review, reaching out to those people and making sure everything's okay, or even intercepting them before that person leaves a bad review. It's super important in this day and age because, I'm a parent, and if I was to go to a Google reviews for an obstacle course like this, where I was going to take my kids, and they would say that it's inefficient and dangerous and all of these things that might potentially be a problem with a business like this, I would not take my kids there. Okay, so this is really important. It also helps a business that's starting up. So there's 2 new startups for him. One's in Rouse Hill and one's in Adelaide. It also really helps get a lot of Google reviews in. Let's say these businesses are a startup and we have a customer coming in for the first time on opening day, then we're able to send them an SMS and ask them to leave a Google review and maybe give them an incentive or whatever that is. As I said, we're really excited about getting going. My staff member, whose name's Graham, he's my AI whiz, has built this Google Reviews and Reputation Management tool out. And in the video, he's going to show you what he did, how it works, and what this looks like. I'll speak to you in a bit.
Hey guys, and welcome to part 2 of automating a real business with AI. So to let you guys know kind of what I've been doing since the last video, it's been a lot of back and forth with a lot of team members from True Ninja, some freelancers. I've been dealing with an IT guy there who doesn't really want to help right now, but I've managed to get a lot of the stuff that I need from other people, which is good. I've got their CRM all set up. I've got all the contacts ready, so we can really start hitting them with some of these AI offers now, or AI systems. What I've been doing right now is I have built them a reputation reviews Android. This actually helps boost their number of Google reviews, and it also mitigates the bad reviews. Now, the idea being we want pretty much everyone to give a good review. The ones who come back with a reason why it wasn't good, we want to have a bit more of a conversation with them, find out exactly what went wrong, and then give this feedback back to the client so they can rectify it for next time, and so these things don't happen again. So that's what I've been doing, and we're going to go into kind of how it's been built. It's not going to be a step-by-step guide on how to build it. We have a very in-depth course in our school group, which was done by our resident guru, Aaron Rowley. So we can't go step-by-step on this video, but it is in our school group, the AAA Ninjas, where there's a link below. And if you like what you see, kind of like the demo, then you can go and build it yourself. And it's a very, very good course. He's very thorough and has great prompt training in there as well. So I'm going to take you through how this works. So you'll see me go through a demo conversation. I'll be acting as if I was a True Ninja customer over the last few days. I've just visited maybe two days ago. And you'll see kind of what this Android will do to try and get that review. So first and foremost, we're going to come over to the computer. Okay, so I've got my number. Let's go put myself in. So Graham. Digital.com. Pop my number in. Take this out. Cool. So that's all good. So I'm going to press save. And then I'm going to come up here. And what I'm going to go and do now is I'm going to add myself to the relevant automation. So let's go and find that now. There we go. So we're going to do customer experience start ChatGPT DBR. I'm going to add myself to that one. Done. We're going to come over to my phone and we can watch the conversation go. So let's just go and go. So you can see on the screen now, the message was sent, and actually, I've just realised, it's not on my phone. I don't have an Aussie phone number, it's here. It's inside our Aussie testing account, so I've got a phone number here. Cool. So you can see the things come through. So, hey Graham, it's Sarah from True Ninja. I see you visited us in the past, and I thought I'd reach out and check how it went. Yeah, it was good, mate. Yeah, it was okay. Okay. Cool, so sent that back, and you'll see in here, so you can see the opportunity changes in here, and then you'll see kind of how the Android will respond to try and get this review. So let's see where it comes back with. Okay, cool, they've got back, so appreciate it. We're always looking to do better for our guests. Would you mind sharing what you like most about your visit to our Ninja Play area? Okay, so I liked that you provided gloves and the boys loved the Ninja Tower. Send that back. Okay, cool. So it's come back through. Right on. Thanks for sharing. If you had to rate your visit out of 5 stars, with 5 being awesome and 1 being pretty bad, what would you give it? Totally okay, to be honest. Just helps us improve. So I'm going to say 4 stars. I'm going to give it a pretty good review. Now, if you want to do this, you can go and test doing a bad review or a good review. It's up to you. The bad review route will basically get loads of feedback as to why they gave it below 3 stars, and then they'll just send that over to management, and then someone from True Ninja would reach out for a little bit more of a personal touch. It would also offer them a discount just as way of an apology for the issues they encountered, and then they would try and bring them back to get a good review. The idea being that you want as many 5-star reviews as possible. 4 or 5-star reviews as possible. Okay, let's come back. Sorry, thank you. Just curious, what could have made your visit a full 5 stars? We're always keen to make those little improvements we can. The toilet area wasn't as clean as I'd expect. Cool, just pop that in there, just to kind of just give a reason why I didn't give 5 stars, basically. Cool. Come back, says, makes sense. Thanks for letting me know about the toilets. That's super helpful feedback. We'll work on it to lift the standard there. Otherwise, would you still feel comfortable leaving us a Google review? If so, I can send you a link. It just takes 20 seconds and helps our small team a lot. Yeah, sure. Happy to do so. Cool. So get back to them and say that. The Google review link will be sent. You'll click on the link and it will open up directly in Google. And directly on the True Ninja page, which I'll show you in a sec. And you just give them a quick 5-star or 4 or 5 stars, and that will hopefully boost their Google reviews. Cool. So it's come back. Perfect. Thanks a lot, Graham. Here's the link. It truly makes a difference for us. Appreciate your time and support. Have an awesome rest of your week. So you click on the review, go and accept all, and then it'll come through, and you want to sign in. Cool. We're in. So it will come up here. Graham Connolly posting. So I can just give it 4. 5 stars, and I could just do great venue. The kids loved it. Thanks. And then you can just post it, and that's that. And then you can just come out, you've posted your review, and then that is how it works. That's how it gets you more reviews. Now let's go back and let's do a bad review, shall we? So let's just go back and let's delete this out, shall we? Oh, just to show you actually what else this Android does. So I'll refresh the contact page inside our client's high level. Okay, so if you can go, you can kind of see all that chat. But what this one does also, it adds it to the notes, so it's very succinct. So if anyone comes in here, you can see exactly the notes that have come through. It's the chat history. So that looks all good. And yeah, let's go and do a bad one just to show you how that works. Cool, so it's come through. Not great, to be honest. Travelled a fair way queues were huge for the activities and the food was cold. Cool. So we'll see what the Android comes back with. Okay, so they got back. Gotcha. I really appreciate you sharing this. Just so I can pass everything on, can you tell me if there was a particular activity or moment that made the wait especially frustrating? The Ninja Tower took 10 mins to get on when you only have an hour to play. This is quite considerable. We would have thought if it was really busy, we'd get a bit more time considering the queues. There we go. So I think that's fair. Basically, they have an hour to play in Ninja if they buy an hour's time, and if there's a 10-minute queue to get onto a certain activity, then someone could justifiably be a bit annoyed. I don't think you have to queue for them, but this is just an example to show why someone may be a bit annoyed. Cool. It says, totally. Thanks for sharing more about your experience. And just so I can be sure I capture everything, was there anything else besides the queue and cold food that could have made your visit better? No, that's it. No, that's it. Okay, so it says, thanks for being honest and giving all this feedback. I apologize for your experience with us. Let me get all this feedback over to management and see what we can do. Okay, so we're going to refresh this page here. So this should be being sent over to management right now. And then it will be up to an agent to do this. So, good stuff. So we're just going to go back to contacts. Now, this is the notification email I've put in to receive this. So we just look at this. So here it is. So the person who is going to be receiving these, or the over to management kind of notifications, says Graham Conley has indicated that they have had a bad experience. The chat history, system message. Apologise. So you can see here, link for PC on. So you can kind of see the sheet link. That's gone to the contact that it has been. So then they've got to go back and forth with this customer now to kind of make sure that they're happy and they can offer something to them. But let's just quickly just get back. Just ask them a quick question. Thanks, do I get anything? But basically, this is just basically trying to rectify their situation before getting them to give a review, basically. So we've got a manual takeover tag on, so it's probably not going to send anything back now, because this is the customer service agent should be getting back to this. Okay, so that's how that works. And then finally, just this last little bit is in the reputation section. It'll take you through. You can go to reviews. Now, what you can see here is we have set up an Android to get back to any reviews that come through. Okay, so this one's obviously a bad review, which is about no instructions and no safety protocols. The gym itself was small and not as advertised. Blah 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 blah. And the AI will get back to every single person that comes in. So, for example, we are deeply apologize for your experience. I understand your frustration. It's concerning to hear that safety protocols were not followed and that your friend did not receive the appropriate assistance. We take such matters seriously and are reviewing our procedures to ensure that this does not happen again. Your feedback is invaluable and we would like to address this situation more personally. Please reach out to us directly so we can discuss how to make this right for you and your friend. Thanks. Okay, so this is kind of how it deals with bad reviews. On good reviews, it will say, thank you for your wonderful review, Carter. We're thrilled to hear that Samuel made your party memorable and that his energy added to your celebration. We pride ourselves on providing an exceptional experience and we will make sure to pass along your compliments to him. We look forward to hosting you and your friends again soon. So it just kind of just shows that you know, the company's got a presence on their review section, and they're not like, they take the reviews seriously, basically. So that's very easy to set up as well. Again, all you got to do is go on to Aaron's training below inside our free school group, which is the AAA Ninjas. You can get all of this set up within probably about an hour, I would say. And it's very good, it's very seamless. And we went with this first because it's one of the easiest to get set up, and then it can just run in the background, helping improve their reviews and reputation while we set up the DBR and things like that, which we're going to go over in the next couple of videos for this series. But thanks a lot for listening today, guys. Appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.